Welcome to Senseon. This video is all about how to program your electronic cabinet locking system. Let's get started. By now, you've integrated all of the necessary Senseon components into your cabinet and performed a signal test, so you know your proximity reader is ready to go. Note, make sure your proximity reader is mounted to a porous surface, such as glass, wood, or plastic, since RFID signals cannot travel through metal. Before using your e-lock system, you'll first need to program your RFID cards or fobs. Start off by organizing and labeling your proximity reader, administrator cards, and user cards, so system authorizations are clearly on file for future reference. While programming, keep in mind that each proximity reader can save up to 5 administrator cards and 100 user cards. Administrator cards have programming rights, but can't unlock cabinets. At this access level, you can add or delete user cards and make changes to operational settings. User cards can access secured cabinets, but can't change any of your system's settings. Also, keep extra blank cards on hand for creating additional administrator cards or programming new user cards. To set up your system for programming, make sure all locks are properly connected, then plug in the power supply. When powered on, the proximity reader's LED light will turn blue. This means your system is ready for programming. Now locate your preset administrator card, labeled with a red sticker, to get started. When programming your Senseon system, keep the following in mind. Tap your card or fob as close to the proximity reader as possible. Your proximity reader will beep 2 times after first tapping an administrator card, and beep 1 time for each additional tap. Also, your reader's LED will flash green while in programming mode. Tap an administrator card to your reader the number of times required for each task. Wait 3 seconds and listen for the reader to beep the same number of times you tapped your administrator card. Tap the card for your programming task, if needed, and listen for the specified number of beeps to signal programming success. Exit programming mode by tapping an administrator card. To create a new administrator card, tap the preset card 5 times to your proximity reader. Wait for 5 beeps, then tap a blank card to your reader. Listen for 2 beeps from your proximity reader to signal programming success. To create more administrator cards, simply tap additional blank cards to your reader after programming the first one. To program a user card, tap an administrator card 1 time to your reader. Wait for 1 beep, then tap a blank card to the proximity reader. Your reader will beep once to signal programming success. To create more user cards, simply tap additional blank cards to your reader after programming the first one. If you try to add a user card that's already been programmed, your proximity reader's LED light will flash red. To delete a specific user card from your system, start by tapping an administrator card to your reader 3 times. Wait for 3 beeps. Then tap the user card you want to delete. This card will be removed from the system's memory and is now a blank card again. If you try to delete a blank card, your reader's light will flash red. To delete all user cards from your Senseon system, start by tapping an administrator card to your reader 4 times. Wait for 4 beeps. Then tap the same administrator card to the reader 1 more time, and all user cards will be removed from the system's memory. Note, be sure to tap your administrator card within 3 seconds, or your system will resort to standby mode. After deleting all user cards, your proximity reader will automatically exit programming mode. The following scenario shows why it's important to organize and label all cards that you plan to program for cabinet access. If a user card is lost or stolen, simply retrieve the card that was programmed before the one that has gone missing. This card should have the preceding number or letter according to how you labeled and organized your access cards. After locating the preceding card, tap an administrator card to your reader 2 times. Wait for 2 beeps. Then tap the preceding user card, and the lost or stolen card will be removed from the system. The user card that was used to delete the missing card will remain programmed. Keep in mind that your Senseon system's default auto relock time is 5 seconds, but that can be customized anywhere between 1 and 180 seconds. To adjust the auto relock time, first tap an administrator card to your reader 6 times. Then count each additional beep, which is equivalent to 1 second. Simply tap your administrator card to stop the beeps at the desired auto relock time. To switch your Senseon system between auto relock and manual lock mode, tap an administrator card 8 times to your proximity reader. Wait 3 seconds. And the locking mode will change automatically. 1 beep signals auto relock mode, while 2 indicates manual lock mode. To turn the sound on or off for standard access, tap an administrator card 10 times. Wait 3 seconds, and the sound mode will change automatically. 1 beep means the beeper is off, while 2 indicates that the beeper is on. Note, with the sound option turned off, your reader will still beep in programming mode. Have any additional questions about programming your electronic cabinet locking system from Senseon? Contact our support team directly